Namaskar to all my dear, lovely headmistresses, franchisees, if they are listening to this. Well, it is that time of the year when usually when physical school is on, we give assessments to children, which means we tell them how they have fared, what have they developed as, where are they on the learning train, etc. Well, this time we won't be able to do our assessments physically, and so we will have to do these assessments online. They will mean a little extra work for the teachers, but let's always keep in mind children first. The teachers are, of course, getting the curriculum from the head office. School is now not 3 hours, it's just 1 hour, sometimes even less. So, for that 1 month, when these assessments starts, the teacher will have to spend a certain amount of time alone with each child, online, of course, to do these assessments. When you will study these assessments, you will realize that they are excellent, time consuming, but excellent. So, when I have to weigh the pros and cons of time versus quality, I'm sure as educators we will all choose quality. So these assessments have been developed after a lot of hard work in the head office. We worked for almost 4 months ever since this lockdown has started, and we started working on these assessments. We had to strike a balance that is it necessary for the child, and will it be possible online? And that's what we did when we were planning this. I must thank both the teams, the mentor team, the franchise team, my team, which is Farida, Jalpa, and all of them who were involved in the planning. And I'm very happy to announce that we are now ready with the assessments, and a training is going to be organized for you, or you must be right now seeing this video as part of the training. I just want you to keep one thing in mind. When we plan something for you, we have kept the child in the mind. When you implement that something, keep the child in mind. So it is very, very important for all of us to understand that whatever we are doing right now during this lockdown period, whatever it is, we're doing it for children. And assessments are an integral part of education. I have to know as a teacher whether what I have been teaching children has been worthwhile. Has my child been able to understand it? Have children grown both developmentally and in learning? So it is very, very important that we celebrate these assessments rather than looking at them as work. Work has been crazy in this lockdown, I think, for all of us. I, for myself, can say I haven't had a single minute to myself, because either you are working at home, or you are working for children, or you are working for those thousands of centers who have had to close down, or teachers who are worried about their salary. So many issues. But, friends, one thing which keeps me going is the fact that we are all in this together. I think we are on the last leg of this corona. Hopefully, a vaccine will come. And assessment is something that will help us take learning full circle. So, please listen to the training being given. Please go through the PowerPoints again if you have to. And when you are sending your feedback either on WhatsApp or emails, don't focus so much on the thank yous as what did I learn. You all don't have to thank us. Please, we are not that kind of an organization where you have to thank us. We all know that what the management is giving is amazing. We all know that you all have a fabulous director. We all know that you have a fabulous mentor team, a fabulous franchise team. So, yes, thank you is something good, but don't waste so much of footage on thank you alone. Tell us what you are thanking us for. Not just that what for a wonderfully organized workshop. Sorry, it's part of my team, it will have to be nicely organized. So tell us what you are thanking us for. Tell us what you learned in this presentation. Tell us how it's going to help you. Tell us how it's going to benefit your teachers. And tell us how it's going to impact the children. We're always open to your suggestions. So if you have any changes, any suggestions that you would like to give us, even after this training, feel free to write to me and I will look into that. So I wish you all the very best and enjoy this training, and let's make assessments the crown on our online teaching that we've done this year. Thank you, friends.